been given the freedom to plan and teach using the standards. We have curriculum resources that are available to us through Canvas, as well as ReadyGen, Fusion, TCI, GoMath, and teacher-created materials. These are resources. Our standards are our true curriculum. Our standards are what we must teach with fidelity. Through our PLC planning, we are using the standards as clustered through the Canvas maps, following our PLC guiding questions and inquiry cycle. This year, our efforts will be focused on becoming better at creating, using, and analyzing common formative assessment. The Office of Teaching and Learning has decided that they will not be collecting our unit assessment data, so we might experiment with our learning in formative assessments more freely. We will be using them as a school to see how each grade level likes them as a measure of the standards posted to our Canvas units. Will these assessments be a valuable form of formative assessment? Our formative assessments answered questions 4 and 5 in our Guiding Questions cog. This investigation into differentiation allows us to collect our 20 in-service points for ESE. When you log into Canvas and go to the Elementary Learning Network, you will find so many new resources to aid in your planning. Click on your appropriate grade level. Click on English Language Arts. If you click on the instructional scope and sequence, see that the focused, embedded, and ongoing standards are laid out for each unit. And the big ideas are listed for each unit on the left. If you click on the General Resources, you will see Trade Book Library, Leveled Text Library, Accountable Talk Resources, Close Reading Resources, and the planning tools we have been using. By clicking on one of the units, you will find the modules which house the task statement, guiding questions, and writing rubrics already created for you to tweak. There is a general narrative rubric to use throughout the year under the additional resources. Look at the rubric I found when I clicked on the task statement. This narrative writing rubric is more specific to the module's task. You can use this evidence guide to help you plan your lessons. Remember, we do not have to use everything in ReadyGen or any particular resource. They are just that, resources. Remember what we have learned over the years. Remember this book? When we are deciding to make instructional decisions, remember to make them based on our standards. Look at the strands of complexity for your grade level. Think about the standards clustered in the Canvas scope and sequence. Be certain the materials you are choosing are allowing for rigorous learning. We have the resources, we understand the standards. Through our collaborative PLCs, we can achieve huge student growth.